Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-28C, the Boiler Regulator Front End for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-28C, the Boiler Regulator Front End for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up template MMGS. Okay, let's go front plane, sketch, rectangle. That's going to be 30 high, 30. And that's going to be 6 plus 6 plus 16 plus 16, if I got it correct. 6, 16, 16, yep. So 6, 6, yep, that's it. Cool. Oop. Thank you. 44, beautiful. And that's going to be a thickness of 6.8. Yep. So feature, extrude 6.8. I'm going to go to mid plane. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to go to leave it blind actually. And this is some brass. Thank you. Now, let's go to top. Let's go to sketch. Now we need, this got to be cut here like a curve. So it's got to be points on its end, and from there, it's going to be 5 points somewhere. I lost it. 5. So if we go to, so if I do this one, if I go from there to there, and if I bring that in, beautiful. So, can I actually, I think it's going to go, yeah, I don't want that. Let me go line, so there, there, and there, that's beautiful. That's going to be 5, I said, didn't I? I've lost it. Yep, 5. So if we go 5, that's now set in. This cannot be moved this way. Oh, hold on. Yep. Put that one to that one as vertical. Thank you. Oh man, did I delete that line? There we go. Now it can't be moved. So if we go that line, the curve, and that one, it's going to be tangent. Beautiful. But that moved for some reason. I guess it wasn't clicked in. Point. There we go. Now that should be 136.5. 136.34. That's weird. Oh, no. I misread something. Hold on. Let me just delete that one. No, that's something else. That's something else. We'll leave that there. We're going to need that. I saw that. Okay. I think why they got 2 dimensions like that. 136.5. There we go. Now that's locked in. Now we've got actually, before we do that, actually, hold on. Let me just delete that one. We're going to do that one separately. So now we want that line to there. That's going to be feature, extrude, through all, and done. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, now let's do this again. Normal 2, sketch. Now, because we've got a little bit cut out, not much, but it's a little bit. So we've got, you know, do a square. There we go. Smart dimension from there to there. It's going to be 5. Yeah, see how it cuts out a little bit? That's going to be 20. It's going to cut out a bit more. There you go. Oop. Center point to center point. Boink. There we go. That's good. This here doesn't matter what it reaches to, but just finalize. I'm just going to put those two as tangent. Just so everything locks in. Now it's going to be cut straight down. So now we got feature, extrude, through all, and done. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so now let's go to, actually not that one, that one. Normal 2, sketch. We want 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do smart dimension on 1, which is going to be 4. And let's do all the others equal. Equal, there we go. Now it's going to be 6. 6 on the edge. Thank you. 6. 6. Now it should be 16 for the middle as well. Which we don't need that, but 16, yep. We're going further. Let me just do this. Horizontal, beautiful. Vertical. Horizontal and vertical. Beautiful. Okay, so now from the center is 9.5. So if we go from there to there, 9.5. Those top two are locked in now. 9.5. The bottom two are locked in now. And that's going to go through all. So feature, volve, no, not volve. Not volve. Extrude. Through all and done. There you go. See, it's on there, beautiful. That's why I didn't do normal 2 on that one, because it's a curved face. It probably goes through wrong. You want it going through parallel to that surface. Okay, so now we want fillet. It's going to be radius of 5. That one. That one. That one. And that one. And done. There you go. That's that section done, looking good. That's everything on there. Yes, it is. Okay, so now from this one, that's a flat surface. Yeah, so we can do that. Sketch. I didn't do normal 2. It's like not required. Pretty straightforward, this one. So it's going to be 18. So smart dimension 18. That's going to extrude out. Oh, actually, hold on. Let's not do this one first. Let me just delete that one. Delete that one. Oh, sorry. X out sketch. Delete that one. Yes, delete it. Because we got to do this side first, because we've got to dimension from here to the end of that one. So let's do this side first. And we might be able to do that in one go. See what happens. that's 18 as well. So dimension 18. That's going extrude out 14. Where are we? Feature extrude out 14 and done. I'm not going to do. I'm going to do the other side separately. Just going to be a lot easier. Actually, hold on. Actually, you know what? No, we're not. I think it's going to work out harder. Let's do this one. Come on. Thank you. What? Ah, hold on. Exit sketch. Sorry, that one. I mean, what? Don't have all the information there. Hold on. What have we done? Sketch. Hold on, what's going on? Okay, this. Oh, well done there. Okay, sketch that. Circle. Okay, smart dimension. That's 18. 18. There we go. We're going to feature. Not extrude cut. What am I thinking? Extrude. It's going to be 57 minus 14 minus 5. There we go. That's done. Now if we go to evaluate, measure, that point to that point should be 57. 57.1? 0.01, what the heck? Ah, 57. That's on the angle. 57, perfect. Okay, that's what we want. That one's done. Let's do the end one on here. So, sketch, circle. That's going to go bigger. That's going to be dimension of 20. Beautiful. Now this one's going to extrude by 3, but it's going to extrude that way because we measure right to the end there. There we go. That's what we want. 2020. Yep, that's good. That's good. Okay. Now this one here, I'm going to sketch. Sketch. Circle. And that's going to be 12. Oh, sorry. 12. And that's going to be feature, extrude, cut through all, and done. There we go. Oh, hold on, what the heck? Oh, what have we done wrong? Okay. Smart dimension. Yeah, this is center. So it's going to be 15. It's going to be 16 plus 6. There we go. I've got to do those measurements. I have. There you go, that's better. Yeah, I had a brain freeze there for a minute. I don't know why. So sort of a bit of jumping the videos. Why? I just went and had mind block for some reason. It just was not working. Okay, so now we want a thread here. So thread starting from there, but it's going to be blind, and it's going to be what, 20 I think it was? Yep, 20. And done. Yeah, see how that starts there? It's so annoying. Can't offset because it goes that way. So what I might have to do is have this edge down here, offset, $20. No, how far was that again? Let me just close that off. Value weight, measure from there to there, which is 38, so it's got to be 18. It change? Oh, hold on. 18. There we go. And that is... Oh. There we go. That should be good. There you go. It went past, so there you go. There we go. That's better. That is better. Okay, so we've got the thread, got the center hole, got that. That is everything on that one. So sorry about if I had a bit of confusion in this episode. I just had a brain freeze doing some of this. So that is done. Also, too, it doesn't really show this clearly in one section there, so that doesn't help. So, so that's part 3-28C, the Boiler Regulator Front End done. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. You want to see more, subscribe. Thank you everyone that has subscribed. Welcome new subscribers. Leave any comments. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.